Arth Ganga. Recently, the Ministry of Jal Shakti unveiled a new initiative named Arth Ganga under the Namami Ganga program with an aim to boost economic activities along the banks of River Ganga. Under Arth Ganga, the government is working at 6 levels. Per drop, more income, Gobar Dan, for the farmers. This will open the way for the second phase is monetization and reuse of sludge and wastewater, which seeks to reuse treated water for irrigation, industries and revenue generation for urban local bodies, ULBs. Local produce, medicinal plants, Ayurveda. Arth Ganga will also include opportunities for livelihood generation by creating huts where people can sell. Fourth is to increase public participation by increasing coordination among the stakeholders associated with the river. The fifth model seeks to promote cultural heritage and tourism in and around the Ganges through boat tours, adventure sports and yoga activities. The final model seeks to promote institutional building by empowering local administration for better water governance. Namami Ganga. It is an umbrella program was established to achieve 2 objectives as follows. Effective abatement of pollution, conservation and rejuvenation of national river Ganga. It is operated under Ministry of Jal Shakti. It is implemented by the National Mission for Clean Ganga. The main pillars of Namami Ganga program are as follows. River front development and river surface cleaning. Public awareness. Sewerage treatment infrastructure and industrial effluent monitoring.